dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
In a few seconds, we will be entering Herbivore Valley, where plant-eating dinosaurs roam freely. Keep an eye out for the Parasaurolophus, who likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family. To some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
We have a containment alert. We showed multiple containment failures.
Safe zone.
Sir, we have one motor code just past the return point. Sir, Blue is out of containment.
Asset containment units to Predator Code. Repeat, ACU to Predator Code. Code red.
Iron systems going down across the board.
Patch me in and kill those ones. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire Deer. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please,
A security team is deployed. They will get you to safety.
This is Owen Brady. The Indominus Rex is safe. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Asset control units are on their way. We have to find Blue now. Tracking multiple targets. We are at full containment failure.
More systems going down. Power failures in
Listen to me. Do not panic. If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.